What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an intro like me. And I've been hearing from my friends, and sometimes, not too much, but sometimes in the comment sections are like, people are like talking about how to get these intros that I have. So what you're going to want to do is you're gonna go to the Google Play Store, or if you have the App Store, since you're on iPhone or iOS, you're gonna want to search up Video Converter. Video Converter is not how you get the intro, but this is just what you're gonna need for it. See, it's right here. Hold on. Sorry, guys. You see this thing, this purple thing right here? It looks like this. So you're just gonna want to install it. Alright, I'm just gonna close these tabs. And then you're gonna wanna go to Google, and you're gonna wanna search up Panzoid. And then you click on the first link. It looks like this. And you wanna go to Clip Maker. And then there's all these little intros right here, but if you're gonna want to click on more creations, and then there's all these intros right here. For say, I'm gonna try to find like a chill intro, like this. This intro is chill, as you could see. So then, if you want, what you're gonna want to do is you press the I button right there. It just turned red. Hold on. Look at it. It's red now. That I button. Now you want to go down to that thing, the logo that looks like a cube, which it is a cube. And then you press on text, and it says text name. And my YouTube channel is Razor X. See? Look. Razor X. It's like that. And then you click on the next one, text thing that says name, and you press Razor. You type in your channel name. So look at this. Just look at the little green screen. That's how you could do it. And I'll teach you guys if you want to use a different song. So you're gonna want to go to YouTube. Hold on, and let me disconnect from this. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Let me just move this. Alright, and then you're gonna want to search up the name of your song. I'm gonna just make this intro kind of like a aesthetic. So you wanna like find a song that's pretty aesthetic or chill. Like, I'm gonna do Weather. It's by Freddie. Hold on, not Weather. I'm gonna try Freddie Dread. And then Opal's a good one. So I'm not gonna play the video, but you wanna press share, copy link, and then I'm using the Google right now. You want to go to Chrome. Basically, you just want to open up another tab on Google if you can. So then you're gonna want to search up YouTube to MP3. You go to the first link. It looks like this. You paste your link that it was. And then you press download. Hold on. Alright. Look. It's finished. The thing is finished. Then you want to go back to the thing. You want to practice on this music little logo. Then you go to audio file, press select. I'm gonna pick I'm gonna pick the Freddie Dread one. And then you gotta change what seconds it is to start off for the song. I'm gonna do 25 seconds just to see how it is. Look. This is pretty chill. Hold on. Let me try 20. 20. Let's see. Let's try 15. This is pretty cool. Alright, now, when you're done with all that stuff, you're gonna wanna go down to the download thing, that logo that looks like it's like a download logo, and then you're gonna want to press start video render. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to you guys once it's finished. Alright guys, I'm back. So it's only 13 seconds left until it's finished, but we still have more steps to do. Alright, it's about to finish. Alright, you're gonna press download video, and just wait. It says, do you want to download this again? Just press download. Alright, and let's check. Yep, it is finished. But hold on, if you go to if you just go to your files, look, where is it? I can't find it in my files. Yeah, alright, it's right here. I'm gonna show you why you're not finished. How it's really laggy. This is why you're gonna need to have video converter. Hold on, sorry. So you're gonna want to go to the app that I said to install earlier called Video Converter, and then you want to press Video Converter when you're inside the app, and then you want to click on the video that you just downloaded. Like the intro you just downloaded, you just keep pressing the purple. Just keep pressing like that white arrow and the purple circle. And then it says if you want to use 1080 graphics on the intro, you could watch the ad, but I'm gonna use low resolution because I'm trying to hurry this up. And then you just press the white check mark. Just back out of this. And then just wait here. Do not click to a different tab. Just wait until it's 100% done. It downloads super fast. Look, it's finally finished. It's finished. So then you're just gonna want to close that tab. You want to go back into your files, and then you want to go to I guess videos, and then want to go to download, and then you see this video 1.mkb. You're just gonna want to delete that. Just delete it, because you're gonna be confused on what you're gonna use. You're gonna be confused. So just delete the old file. I'm deleting that second intro. Alright, and then you want to go to Video Converter video. And then you're gonna on the thing, and then look. Alright, see, it's not laggy anymore like that. It wasn't even laggy, it's just it was just not converted. So another thing is, when you're gonna make your video, you're gonna want to download Power Director or Vlogstar. I would say Power Director, that's what I use. This is just so that way you can what's it called? It's so that way you could like add more than one video. Like, per se, some people just upload something and that's it. Like, it's kind of confusing to say, but like, hold on, I'm trying to put this in portrait mode. Oh yeah, I can't go in portrait mode. So if you download Power Director and put on like the stuff, you could just, all you really need to do is just like, I'm just gonna add this clip, and then you go to video converter video, and then you add this. This is so that way you could add more than one clip. I'm just gonna put blur and look at just look at this.
I ain't folding under pressure, I ain't switching for no hoe. I ain't talking to no cop and I ain't telling on my bros. Ain't no killer, but don't push me, fingers itching.
I made this intro in Panzoid. See, this is so that way you could just like add the videos together. And that is it for today. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And let me know in the comment section what you need help on, or what next tutorial video I should make.
No, I know.